Jen and DJ here with the ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to be doing a full body workout that is low impact, and the exercises will be done while standing.
So for this workout, we're going to be doing 8 total exercises, and we're going to be doing them in groups of supersets. We're going to do 2 sets of each superset. Our working time is 40 seconds, our break time is 20 seconds, and in between the groups of supersets, we will then take a 40-second extended break. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and if you're looking for resistance bands or workout routines, check out our store at shop.achievepeak.com. Now let's get to work. We have about 40 seconds until we get started. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to start that now. Maybe soon for you. Okay, and then our first exercise is going to be squat to shrug. So grab your bands and I'll demonstrate it. So I'm choking up on mine, so I'm holding the bands, not the handles. And so we're going to stand on the band with both feet, get our feet about shoulder width apart, and then from here what we're going to do is we're going to drop down into a squat, come back up, and then when we're at the top, we're going to get that shrug in, bring it down, and then repeat. Just like that. We'll go a couple seconds till we get started. There we go. So squat, come up, shrug. Make sure to keep your chest out, head up, nice straight back while you're doing these. You don't want to be coming down into the squat like this. You want a nice straight back when you come down. And then if the resistance bands for the squat are too heavy for you, you could decide to grab onto the handles to keep resistance for the shrugs and then have no resistance for the squats. And also if you can't go all the way down on the squats, that's fine. Just go as far as you can. Maybe you can only go to there and then have to come back up. That's okay. Let's get one more squat. There we go. Okay, so our next exercise is going to be curl to hold. So curl hold to RDL. So we're going to curl, hold it here, and then we're going to do an RDL, come back up. RDL, you want a slight bend in the knees, and you want to keep a straight back bending at the hips. So curl, and then RDL. So Romanian deadlift is RDL. There we go. So when we're down here, we want to make sure we have a nice straight back. We don't want to look like this while we're doing it. We have slight bend in the knees. We're hinging at the hips, coming back up. There we go. And again, if this is too tough for you, what you could do is just do the curl and then keep the bands here and then do the RDL with just your body weight. There we go. Okay, we're going back into squat to shrug. It's our second set here. I was about to switch bands.
I know.
But then I was like, oh, actually I went up and wait for the curls. Here we go. So squat, come up, shrug. Keep a nice straight back the entire time. It may help to look up to where the ceiling and the wall meet for your squat, because then it forces your back to stay nice and straight when you look up. And again, just try to go down as deep as you can. Maybe you don't even use any resistance. That's okay. 15 seconds. Good controlled movements here. Don't forget to breathe. Let's get one more. There we go. Going back into curl hold to RDL. So again, for RDL, we're going to have a slight bend in the knees. They're not going to be straight. They're going to be slight bend. And then when you're bent over, nice straight back right here. We don't want to be hunched. So let's get ready. There we go. So curl, hold it. RDL. Go down. There we go. You should feel it in the back part of your upper legs doing the RDLs. And also if it's a little too tough, again, you can just hold the curl down here and then do the RDL and then just get a normal curl, bring it back down, do your RDL with body weight. And hold mine. Here we go. Couple reps left. Let's get one more at least. There we go. Okay, we got a 40-second break here, and then we're going into single arm row. So I can use this for single arm row. So for single arm row, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the band under my right foot, hold it in my left hand. I'm gonna rest my right hand on my knee, and then from there, I'm gonna be able to pull it. You still wanna maintain a nice straight back, but this hand on the knee allows you to brace your back. There we go. So, about 5 seconds. Let's get ready. There we go. So we're doing the left arm row only, and then we will do, so this superset is left and right actually. So we'll get both arms twice. Good controlled movements here. Again, you should probably choke up on the band, or if you're going to use the handle for this, you're going to have like almost no band really to pull. So I like to hold the bands, because then I have, you know, a bunch of band there, so when I pull it, you're not overstretching it. But you still want to keep tension through the entire range of motion here. Let's get one more. There we go. Okay, so we're just switching feet here, or arms. I guess it's both.
Yeah.
So band under the left foot, hold the band in the right hand, rest the left hand on the knee, and then from here, we're going to row with the opposite side. So let's get ready. There we go. Again, keeping a nice straight back. You don't want to be doing this bent over like this. Nice straight back. Let's go. Guy was eating breakfast and he's like, all done. Gonna run in there on the break.
Yeah, we'll go on the break.
You got 20 seconds. Get some cardio in.
Yeah.
Take him out of his seat.
As fast as you can.
There we go. Good controlled movements. Squeeze that back. Squeeze. Let's get one more. There we go. Jen's gonna go attend to her kid real quick. Okay, so we're going into the left arm now. Band under the right foot. Band in left hand. Perks of being a parent. Let's get ready. Here we go. Keep that squeeze in. When you're back there, really feel it. Squeeze, squeeze the back. Focus on the back. Squeeze. Squeeze. Come on. Here we go, 20 seconds. Let's go. Keep a nice straight back. Still on the left hand. There we go. Squeeze. Get some good cardio in. Come on, push it. Let's get one more. We got one more rep in us. There we go. Okay, we're going into the right arm now. The right side, so band under the left foot, band in the right hand. It's our last set of rows here, and then we're moving on. 40-second break after this. There we go. Good controlled movements. Don't forget to breathe. Get that squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze the back. I need more resistance. Oh yeah, there we go. Keep a nice straight back. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a couple more. Let's do one more. There we go. All right, we got a 40-second break, and then we're moving into chest press. So for chest press, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bands. You're gonna put yours through your armpits. Yeah. So Jen's gonna do hers through her armpits. I wrap my bands around my shoulders, completely around my back, like this. Jen wraps hers through the armpits, which is probably the safer option for most people, because it tends to, the band will want to slide up the way I do it, but it works for me. So from here, we're literally just gonna be standing, and we're gonna press the band out and come back. There we go. So push it out, bring it back. As you can see, we're both choked up on the band, so neither of us are actually holding the handles. Well, Jen's holding the handles.
I like to wrap the handles because then you can hear the cling, cling,
Jen doesn't. I like the jingle. While you're doing this, if you want, you can actually cross your hands over and get that full contraction of the chest. You'll really start to feel it in the center of the chest when you cross it over. So I'll do left hand on top, right hand on top, and I'll alternate. So by crossing it, we are getting that full contraction of the chest. Just make sure to really squeeze it. There we go. Okay, so our next exercise is going to be reverse wood chop. You don't need a heavy band for this. I'm going to put the band under my right foot and then grab it with both hands. I grab kind of the handle weird, just like the nylon pieces with my hand. And then from here, we're going to go out to the left side, come back. So you're rotating with the core and then bringing the band up with the arms roughly to parallel. So when you're doing this, your feet are staying in the same spot facing forward. You're not rotating them. You're rotating at the core. So if you're going to the left, you're probably going to feel it in that right side a good amount. Here we go. 10 seconds. Keep your elbows down when you're doing this. So when you come out, you don't want your arms up here. You want them down like that. Here we go. Going back in to chest press. My favorite. I might actually do more bands. I'm going to do like 5 bands. Hey Bubba! We got a celebrity appearance. Here we go. Let's get ready for chest press. Here we go. Let's push it out. Good controlled movements. Oh.
I love you. Thank you.
Good controlled movements here. Again, cross it over. It'll help get that full contraction. Let's go. Push it. You got 10 seconds. Let's go. Get that squeeze. Here we go. Let's do one more. There we go. Okay, going back into reverse wood chop. So I put all my bands back. So I have a whole stack of them over here. So band under the left foot, and then we're going out to the right here.
Hi, buddy.
There we go. So nice wide stance, rotating to the right, band under the left foot.
Take your ball, buddy.
Here we go.
Nope. Do it all.
It's been a while since most people have seen Cash in a video. Last time he was in when he was tiny. There we go.
He has a face full of oats because I was trying to go fast and then it clears his mouth.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera. He's like, nope. Last one. There we go. Okay, we got a 40-second break, and then we're going into tricep push-outs. So for tricep push-outs, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the band and wrap it behind us like we did with chest press, but our hands, our palms are going to be facing down and our elbows out, and then from here, we're literally going to push out and come back, and we're going to keep our elbows up the entire time. So if you're doing a chest press, it's here. Tricep push-out is here. Here we go. Let's get ready. Couple seconds. There we go. So, pushing out. Keep the elbows up. You probably need to choke up on your bands a good amount. Make sure you have tension the entire time. Get it from the side. There we go. Feeling it back there. Trying to get rid of them wave wings back there. So when you wave, there ain't no jiggle. Here we go, push it, 10 seconds. Come on. Let's go. Last one. There we go. Okay, our next exercise, we're going into good mornings. So with RDLs, I said do not bend at the back. This one we are bending at the back. I'm not going to do any resistance for this one. If you want more resistance, put your hands up. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to bend over and bend at the back and then come up. So if maybe body weight, you can hold your hands, cross them across your chest like this, and that could probably work. If maybe that's too easy, then put your hands out and then do the same thing. We're really just trying to work that lower back. If you do want more resistance, you could do it how we were with RDLs, which I'll demonstrate in the next set with the curl hold. Hold the weight up like that, and then you can do your good mornings like that. Here we go. Couple left. If you got a kid, you can do good mornings with them too. In the morning. Okay, going back to tricep push outs.
It's morning, so he's just waking up. Got those morning cuddles going on.
This morning outfit.
It's PJ's.
Here we go, tricep push outs. There we go. So elbows up, palms down the entire time. Band wrapped around the back. Again, you still want a straight back while you're doing these. You should never really be hunched over like this almost on any of your exercises, aside from maybe the Jefferson curl or the good mornings. Those are about the only two I can think of. Here we go. Let's push and get that squeeze on the triceps. Squeeze. We got 10 seconds. Elbows up, palms down. Let's get one more. We got one more in us. There we go. Bruce, you're taking up on the spot. Alright. Keep up. Okay, we're going into good mornings now. So this time I am going to use a band. So what I would do if I'm using a band, step on it with both feet, and then you can curl it up like we were doing RDLs. And then from here I'm just going to keep it held and do my good morning. There we go. Good controlled movements, nice and slow. I'm not trying to fly through this. Focus on the lower back. If you want, with single band like this, if you want to make it a little tougher and not actually change bands, you can just spread your feet apart, eat up some more band, reduce the resistance that way. So 10 seconds. Good controlled movements on these. Trying to strengthen the lower back, not injure it. Let's get one more. There we go. Boom. And we are done. There we go. Good job, Mama. And Cash and Bruce. Had all but one in the family here today. If you like this video,
Smash that like button.
boom! If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for resistance bands or workout routines, check out our store at shop.achievpeak.com. See you guys.